Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use my Health Pace Rewards card, where you can spend it, and how to check your balance. Let's get started. Step 1. What is my Health Pace Reward card? My Health Pace Reward program allows you to earn rewards for completing healthy activities like annual wellness exam, vaccinations and screening, telehealth visits, health coaching calls, pregnancy and postpartum care. Your rewards are loaded onto your MyHealth Pace Visa prepared card once your health plan processed the claims. Step 2. Where can you use your MyHealth Pace card? You can use card to pay for utilities like electricity, water or gas, rent and housing expenses, childcare and education services, transportation and telecommunications, shopping at Walmart for everyday essentials, excluded alcohol, tobacco, and firearms. Step 3. How to use your MyHealth Pace card. In store purchases like Walmart, shop for eligible items. At checkout, swipe your card like a debit card. If prompted, enter your PIN. Online payment bills or shopping. Go to the bill payment and checkout page for a participating provider. Enter my Health Pace Visa prepaid card. Details like regular debit card and then complete your payment. Step 4. How to check your My Health Pace balance. Log into your member account on your health plan's website. Download the Home State Health Hub, which is available on Apple and Android. Call the number on the back of your card for balance inquiries. And that's how can you use your My Health Pace rewards card to maximize your health benefits. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.